Hi, I'm Susan. Today I am making a vegetable and beef bake, and it was so easy to make, and it was, you didn't even have to babysit it. You just put it in the oven. You didn't have to brown your ground beef or anything, and it was really good. So I hope everybody's doing great today, and I hope you'll give this recipe a try. So without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need 1 pound of ground beef, 1 package of onion soup mix, 1 package of frozen mixed vegetables, 1 cup of sour cream, 1 cup of grated cheddar cheese, a can of cream of chicken soup, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, salt and pepper to taste, and a bag of frozen hash brown potatoes. I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And you want to begin by mixing your ground beef with your soup mix. And then you want to press it on the bottom of a 9 by 13 inch baking dish. Now you want to put your uncooked vegetables over the meat. In a bowl, you want to mix your sour cream, your cheese, your soup, butter, salt, and pepper together. And then you'll add your hash browns and mix. After struggling mixing my hash brown potatoes, I decided it would be best just to go with a larger bowl. And you just want to spread all this over your vegetables. Now you want to bake it for about 2 hours until it's bubbly and brown on top. It took probably about 1 hour and 45 minutes for mine to get done. And here it is. The only thing I would have done differently is use a leaner ground beef, because all I had was the regular. And of course it had a lot of grease in it, but it was really good, just not so healthy. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. My family really enjoyed this, and they're not crazy about mixed vegetables, but they liked this. So until next time, bye y'all.